In this video, I'll show you how to build a website with Webflow. Start by signing into your Webflow account and creating a new project. You can begin with a blank site or choose a template to speed up the process. Once you're inside the designer, start building your homepage by adding sections such as a hero banner, about section, services section, and contact area. Use the Add panel to insert text, images, buttons, and other elements. Next, customize the design by updating colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts to match your brand. Replace any placeholder content with your own text and images. After that, create additional pages such as About, Services, Blog, and Contact. Use the Pages panel to organize and manage your website structure. Now set up your navigation menu and link it to the correct pages. Test all buttons and links to ensure visitors can easily navigate your site. Once your content is ready, preview the website and check both desktop and mobile views. Make any adjustments needed to improve the user experience. Next, open the page settings and add SEO details such as page titles and meta descriptions. This helps search engines understand your content. Finally, connect a custom domain if you have one and click Publish to make your website live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a website with Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.